This is a short descriptive video of a classic, the flip alarm clock by Bosch UDW2. Very nice sort of olive green colour. It's working like a charm, as you can see there. Yeah, brand new light, brand new cabling on the inside. I decided to leave the cable and plug original because they're in a really nice condition and they add to the originality of the clock. Let me just turn on the alarm. Yeah, that will definitely wake you up. I'm just getting rid of a bit of... yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is cosmetically in a really nice condition. I wouldn't say mint, but really nice used condition, and working like a charm. Nice color, true classic. So refurbished, restored. What more could you want? Yeah, that's it. Just a quick shot of the label before I forget. There you go. Thank you for watching.